The component under the spotlight today is something you don't usually think about until your engine starts showing signs of inefficiency, hard starts, smoke, or erratic idling: the fuel injection pump, specifically model numbers 2644P501, 047006003, 216, 9824, and 2,169,824. This pump is built for high-demand engines like the Caterpillar Cat 3056C and Perkins 1106CE 60-ton 1106C series. These engines power everything from industrial generators to heavy-duty construction equipment, and their performance depends heavily on the precision and reliability of the fuel injection system. Let's take a full walkthrough, from the internal engineering of the unit to how to verify its authenticity, test performance, install correctly, and ensure longevity in high-load applications. This pump is designed to deliver metered fuel under extremely high pressure to each cylinder in perfect synchrony with the engine's combustion cycle. That sounds simple in theory, but in practice, the tolerances are razor-thin. Even slight variations in pressure, delivery timing, or volume can cause the engine to lose power, smoke excessively, or wear out prematurely. First, let's talk about design. The internal construction includes a precision ground cam ring, rollers, plungers, and delivery valves. Each of these parts must work together under tight tolerances and under extreme pressure. If the surfaces wear out unevenly, you'll end up with unbalanced fuel delivery and inefficient combustion. The key reason you need to care about the quality of this specific part is because inferior manufacturing often results in substandard materials, poor machining, and misalignment of components. That affects the flow rate, pressure delivery, and response under variable load conditions. Before you even install one, it's important to run a bench test. Ideally, use a calibrated test rig with digital pressure monitoring and flow meters. You'll want to simulate startup, idle, mid-range torque, and full load. Monitor fuel delivery consistency and note if there's any pressure drop or flow lag when throttle input increases. Irregular pressure curves are a dead giveaway that something's not right, usually worn components, improperly assembled internals, or manufacturing defects. Also, inspect all mechanical mating surfaces. Mounting face must be perfectly flat, bolt holes should line up squarely, and the shaft must rotate smoothly without resistance or noise. Even the smallest misalignment can introduce stress and vibration into your fuel system, leading to premature failure. When it's time to install the pump, go slow and follow the manual closely. Begin by cleaning the mounting surface and checking for any contaminants or scoring. Use fresh gaskets or seals every single time, never reuse old ones. Secure the unit using a calibrated torque wrench and follow the bolt tightening sequence to prevent uneven stress. Then, prime the system to remove any air pockets before the initial startup. It's also crucial to ensure your fuel system is clean. Use high-quality filters and flush the lines before installing a new pump. Contaminants like water, dust, or metal particles will destroy even the best-made injection pump in hours, not months. After installation, monitor the fuel pressure and engine behavior over the first 30 to 50 hours of operation. In a working system, you should expect stable idle, linear throttle response, reduced smoke under load, and consistent starting, even in cold environments. If any of these symptoms are off, it's time to go back and check for installation errors, error in the system, or compatibility issues. Now let's discuss sourcing. Counterfeit or low-grade replicas flood the market, especially online, and the difference isn't always visible at first glance. The housing may look identical, but the internals, metallurgy, machining quality, seals, are often subpar. Always buy from a reputable supplier. Ask for the pump's test report, or better yet, proof of dynamic calibration. Serial numbers should match the specs listed for Cat or Perkins parts. If you receive a unit that lacks documentation, inspection ports, or packaging integrity, that's a red flag. Compatibility also matters. Even though many part numbers look interchangeable, internal calibration differs by engine variant. Installing the wrong model may result in engine misfiring, excess fuel consumption,